the industrial workforce is going to find that not just needing computers, but they're going to need to understand the apps, the processes that are involved. The workforce is going to, in a sense, have to be a little smarter. We're adding smart sensors, so we're going to need smart workers on top of that. You can't put in the smart sensors and assume that everything's going to stay the same. You have machines that are going to be doing the jobs in some cases and making decisions immediately, not that person. However, our workforce is going to have to change, and they are the decision makers. That information is on the factory floor, not going to another location for someone else to make those decisions. As many decisions as possible are going to be made very quickly on the factory floor, make the changes, make the improvements, and keep that production going.